Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner.
Yo, what's going on, fam? As promised, we're gonna do a breakdown video on GbpChf and exactly how we got into that trade, what I was looking for, and pretty much just a walkthrough of how we called it on the Telegram and everything like that. So first and foremost, let's go over to the chart and look at where we're at now on this trade. Boom. So of course, last week we called, not last week, 2 weeks ago, we called it out right here at this level. And I told you guys it'd probably be reach up probably like 200 pips, and it's exactly what it did. I haven't touched anything since that time that I called it out 2 weeks ago. So as you can see, so let's head straight over to the Telegram channel. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So 2 weeks ago, February 4th, I called it out right here in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and play the video for you guys and just let you guys see exactly what I'm talking about on the video, breakdown and everything like that. And then we're just pretty much gonna go down the timeline in our Telegram channel, and I'll just throw any extra things that I think I might have missed and any of those breakdowns. So let's go ahead and watch the video. What's up, fam? We back with another video on GbpChf. Like I told you guys, we're looking for a buy off of this pair. It didn't pull back to that area that I was looking at. This particular area was right here. We did get that smaller consolidation today. Well, consolidation this week. It just was consolidating back and forth. No true real buy area. We could have kind of gauged in right there, but I really wanted to pull down to this level. So now that we see that we got a big push out of this, GBP's of course had gotten strong from the news today. So what we're looking at now off of GbpChf is a slight pullback to this consolidation. Looking to see if we can get that tonight, and then we're possibly looking for buying opportunities at this level right here. So if I was you, I would set an alert right at the top of this consolidation, like I am myself on my TradingView app. And I'll just patiently be waiting for our setups off of GbpChf. Like I said, it's going to be a big move, but we do have a continuation up. We look at our weekly time frame, it's going to be over possibly 300 pips. We look at our week candle, that's a strong bullish candle to the upside, so I'm pretty confident that, tomorrow's Friday, we have a breakout of this consolidation here. So either we'll be looking at a push from these levels up here, or either right here. But like I said, we're just going to let the market set up and do its thing, and we'll be back either today or tomorrow to see when those, depending on when those alerts hit. All right. So as we start the video right there, that's the entire breakdown video. We're watching it February 4th, excuse me. And then if I go scroll down, keep going, of course, this is other calls that we're calling out, and then we go and find the next GbpChf update. And I'm telling you guys in this video that we finally got our pullback, and I'm looking for my entry point. So let me go ahead and roll this one. Yo, as we gauge back on that GbpChf that we was looking at last week, you can see that we have finally had that breakout, and then a retest is now back at our level. If you had that alert set, you should have hit your alert. So and let me pause the video right there, guys. If you don't understand when I tell you to break out and retest, go down to my trade breakdown videos, pretty much technical videos in our playlist, how to enter trades, and it pretty much tells you exactly how the market moves. I think it's enabled market structure video, and pretty much tells you what I mean about market structure break and retest. So if you do not understand that, just watch that video, and if you want further details on that, you can contact myself or Brody and set up a one-on-one with us, and we'll break down that in our one-on-one session. And also we kind of break those down in our VIP section calls that we do weekly as well. So if you have any questions on that, that's your different avenues that you can choose to learn about that. Now we can see we have a clear level, breakout retest. Now I'm going to be looking for a possible buy at this level here. We're on the 4-hour time frame, so we want to kind of see how this 4-hour candle close are. I mean, you can see it's already getting reaction out of that 4-hour candle. So I'm be looking for buys at this level. Stop loss will probably be somewhere at 122.70 area. And buys, if I can get the pullback down just a little bit further down this way, at this level here, or somewhere in between here, I'll be gauging in a buy right there. First TP will be here, like I discussed last week, and the bigger TP on the weekly time frame will be. And that's what we have it, guys. So that was the call out at 6 o'clock that morning. I did another update around 6, 7 o'clock where I showed you guys my entry. I went ahead and entered there at that level. And then as we can scroll down, we just continue updates on GbpChf. Of course, we had to push up finally off of that level as well. And kind of like this is a TP1 level. Then we got the break of that TP1 level. Well, this is actually where I took my partial at on GbpChf on my first partial gain on that one when I secured the profits off of that, because I mean, as you guys know now that the Forex market is a volatile market, so you want to kind of go ahead and secure your profits and as you go into profit. So once again, as we move towards the end of the week, last week, it's my final update on GbpChf. Kind of, sort of, let me see. Yes, so as I told you guys, this was my major TP level right there on a big upswing. I thought it maybe would have took maybe like another week or so to reach that TP level, but I mean, last week we kind of punched up on Thursday and Friday to reach our second TP level. So of course I took another partial right there as well once we reached that level. So that's what we have it on GbpChf. I mean, another thing that I would look at on GbpChf, just explanation wise, okay, when I talk about consolidation, so this is a consolidated area right there. I told you I was going to break down volume as well. So you can see this volume moving was not much consolidation like this at this level. So if you have a volume move like this, I mean, it tends to run in between volume moves. So it's most likely going to do the same exact thing that it did right there. So it's not much traffic right there. So you can kind of bet that it's going to push through that level because there's not much traffic to stop it. So as right here, so you see this is a lot of traffic right here. So I knew it probably would push up there and then kind of hesitate as it reached that level. So I knew if we broke this level and we continue to break it, which we did, we was going to have a lot of volume right there, was going to propel us to this next level where we had traffic at. So that's another thing right there, another nugget for you guys as well. So like I said, that's what we have on GbpChf. The next trade that we're in right now as well is gold that we called out last week in the Telegram channel as well. So that one's doing numbers as well, doing pretty good in gold. As you can see there. So that'll probably be the next video I do if that one continues to go into profit. I'll probably be looking to do gold. So that's what we have it there. So if you're interested in joining the VIP, I'll leave a link down in the description as well. Contact myself, LJ or Brody on Instagram or in Telegram, and we'll definitely get you guys subscribed to that VIP channel where you get your 2 weekly calls, your one-on-one calls, markups, and break down the strategy. So